since I've been 17, and the years since I've been mighty mean, but there's no use complaining. 42 has a way of creeping up on you, and my chances left to get few, but there's still time remaining. I've been waiting for someone who loves the way I do. Girl, I've got my fingers crossed in hopes that it might be you. 21, there's so many jobs I've had done. I remember quitting everyone with no hesitation. 33, there's so many women left on me. I don't have too good a history, but I don't mind waiting. 'Cause it really doesn't matter how many years I've seen, 'cause love is always 17. Wonder if you'll be the one to end this lonesome heart. 'Cause girl, I've got a lot to give that you'd like to start. It really doesn't matter how many years I've seen, 'cause love is always 17. Well, hi there pluckers, Arvosaur Fingers again with you. That was a song from David Gates called Love Is Always 17, which I've been requested to do. So here it is, standard tuning, no capos as you can see, doing it in the same key that David Gates recorded the song in. Okay, so let's break it down for you and show what I played. So it starts off basically with an A sus2, so it's an A chord with an open second string. Okay, second string open, just the fretting on the second fret of the fourth string and the third string. Okay, and you start off by hitting the A string, sort of the fifth string, strumming down at it, sort of arpeggiate those two, and then sort of strum the rest. Okay, and then come back up again with a bit of arpeggiating. Okay. Play that twice, and then you add your thumb to the second fret of the bottom E string, and then you do exactly the same thing, but hitting that root note instead of the A note. You hit the second on the bottom E string, and that's a form of F sharp minor. Okay, so it's lots of that, and then to a D chord, bit of a pause, and then two times on that, and then a slight pause, and then into the song on the A sus2. Okay, so 17, 17, it's been a while since I've been, add the thumb to the second fret, bottom E string, 17, the years since have been D, mighty mean, but there's no use, back to the A sus2. Okay, so that's the first half of the verse basically. Okay, so from the intro. 17. It's been a while since I've been 17, and the years since I've been mighty mean, but there's no use complaining. Right, second verse exactly the same. 42, that's a creep way of creeping up on you, and my chances left are getting few, but most of them remaining. Okay, so the first verse, or the first two R's of the first verse, exactly the same to play. Okay, then we go into the sort of chorusy bit. E major. I've been waiting for someone. For someone is D chord, but with again F sharp in the bass, second fret, bottom E string with the thumb. Okay, so I've been waiting for someone who loves the way I do. Back to A sus2. Okay, so coming out of the first verse, let's do the last half of the first verse. Okay, so 42 has a way of creeping up on you, and my chances left are getting few, but there's all time remaining. Right here, a little bit. I've been waiting for someone who loves the way you do. Right, now we go to D. I'm the girl, I've got my fingers crossed. Now that is a lazy A chord, barring the first 4 strings with my first finger, second fret, and adding my third finger to the 4th fret of the A string, the 5th string, and hitting that note and strumming down. Okay, it's like an F sharp minor 7th, or A with C sharp in the bass, whichever you want to call it. Okay, same thing. Okay, so that's the second word. It goes E, I've been waiting, D with F sharp in the bass, waiting for someone. Say there, A sus2, D, the girl, I've got my, A with C sharp in the bass, fingers crossed, in D, hopes it might be E, U. Bit of a stop there, just a bit of a pick and a stop. Then we're going into the next verse. Okay, so let's just go through this again. So E, I've been waiting for someone who loves the way I do. Girl, I've got my fingers crossed in hopes it might be you. Next verse, same as the other 2 verses. 21. That's how many different jobs I had done. I remember quitting everyone with no hesitating. Another verse. 33. That's how many women left on me. I don't have too good a history. I don't mind waiting. Cause it D really doesn't. A with F C sharp in the bass again. Really doesn't matter how. Now this is a different B minor 7th. A B minor with I'm playing only barring the first 5 strings. I'm leaving the bottom E string open. Okay, I'm not using that at the moment. I'm doing from 5 down to 1. Second fret bar chord, B minor, pinky off. B minor 7th from 5 down to 1. Hitting that note, root note on the B 2nd fret 5th string first. And then what you do then is you keep the same chord, but you hit the bottom E string open. So the first chord is the B minor 7th, and then we play the bottom E string open and strum the same chord again, the B minor 7th, and then So it's coming out of that bit where it goes, so it really doesn't, A with C sharp in the bass, matter how many years. It's like many years. You hit the bass note, strum, then bottom E string, strum, C, and back to the A sus2. So it's, because it really doesn't matter how many years I've seen. Hit the A string and then strum the A sus2. Because D, because love is always E stop 17, and then we play the riff, like the intro again. Up to that point, just the A sus2 and then the the F sharp minor with the thumb over on the 2nd fret, bottom E string. That's the instrumental bit. And then we go into the E chord again. Wonder if you'll be the one. That bit again, okay, with the E. Wonder if D with F sharp in the bass, wonder to end this lonely A sus2 part, D, because I've got A with C sharp in the bass, lots to give, D, I'm sure I'd like to E start. Okay, so let's just go through this. I'll go from the 4th verse to 30 and 33, okay? 33, there's many women left on me. I don't have too much history, but I don't mind waiting, 'cause it really doesn't matter how many years I've seen, 'cause love is always 17. E, wonder if D with F sharp, you'll be the one to end this lonely heart. D, A with C sharp and bass, D, sure I'd like to E start, D, doesn't C, A with C sharp in the bass, matter. B minor 7th, bottom E string opens, B minor 7th, A sus2. Cause D, love is always E, 17. Intro, as the outro. End of song. So it's a quick D, slow it down, E, A sus2, or A, just an A chord, I think it's probably better. Okay, end of song. So that's it. So I'll try and go through it all again with you now, right from the start to the end, and slow it right down for you. Okay, so hopefully you'll pick it all up. Once you get the arrangement in your head, you'll be away. Okay. Here we go then. 17. It's been a while since I've been 17, and the years have been mighty lean, but there's no use complaining. 42 has a way of creeping up on you, and my chances left will get still time remaining. I've been waiting for someone who loves the way I do. different jobs I had done. I remember quitting everyone with no hesitation. 33, that's how many women left on me. I don't have too good a history, but I don't mind waiting, 'cause it really doesn't matter how many years you've seen, 'cause love is always 17. And there you have it. Hopefully you'll be able to follow that. Thanks very much for listening and watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.